What's up everybody, my name is Steven Aldacco and today we're going to build a passenger side desk for my Honda Element. If you're newer to the channel, my name is Steven. I've been living in my Honda Element for like 2 years now, and lately I've been working on this YouTube channel. I've been spending a lot of time editing videos in the driver's side seat of the Honda Element, and I came across this picture here and it looked like a really cool passenger side desk. So we're gonna do our best to recreate that today. I just came back from Home Depot, got a little piece of plywood. I cut out my cardboard shape here and we're gonna get to cutting and see how we do. I'm not very good at like woodworking, but we're gonna do our best. So let's get to it, and I'll try to leave like the measurements and details and how I did everything in the description box below or somewhere in this video, so you can try to replicate it yourself if you think it's cool. And yeah, let's see how it turns out. Let's do it. Let's get the measurements for y'all. So from the base, just about 19 inches, really close. Across, almost exactly 2 feet. And then we can go to the second little notch there, which is kind of rounded as you see. That is 22 3/4 is about the measurement there. And then we'll go to the next little notch here. So that inner measurement from there to there, it's about 20.5. And this little stick thing I use to like kind of hold it in place. The length doesn't matter too much, but it's just under 4 inches. The height is the important part, and that's about 1.5 inches. First thing I did was I traced the cardboard cutout onto the plywood shape. As you can see, I'm only using hand tools. I have my saw, and you do not, absolutely do not start cutting like this. Make a few starter cuts by just kind of dragging the saw up a few times, and then that'll allow you to saw straight through. After you've cut out your shape, you want to make sure to take your sandpaper and smooth out any of the rough edges. All right, so we got it all sanded down. Let's add on some of the wood stain to make it look nice and pretty. I did about 3 layers on my board, waiting about an hour in between each layer. You want to start off very light with your brush, and then when you get towards the end, you want to apply just a little bit more pressure for each stroke. After you've applied your lacquer and it's completely dry, you can then use some sealer. This is to protect the wood, and then also it'll help prevent it if you get any stains. So I have this piece of wood which is rectangular in shape, which I slide in between the desk and the frame of the car itself. And it seems to work really well. It's really sturdy. I can apply as much pressure as I want. It's plenty stable. I'm pushing down and it's not moving at all. This really helps that it has a little side handle, so it's really sturdy. If you have a more sophisticated way of getting this to attach, leave that down in the comments below so we can try it out and maybe improve on this desk. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions at all, don't be afraid, leave them down in the comments below. If you do end up making this desk yourself, send me a message on Instagram or TikTok, and I would love to share it with everyone in the community. Thank you again for all your support. And if you want to see more of the build and more adventures with me and the Honda Element, make sure to give this channel a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.